Welcome to the installation demonstration for CA Development Environment for Z-Systems, enhanced by IBM Developer for Z-Systems. The Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, is designed for teams maintaining, supporting, and developing mainframe applications. CADE for Z-Systems offers users greater efficiency in development activities, including plugins such as CA Endeavor SCM, CA Intertest, CA SimDump, CA FileMaster Plus, and CA Mainframe Application Tuner. We will demonstrate how to perform a minimal installation of CA Development Environment for Z-Systems, as well as how to update the CADE for Z installation and other features. First, let us begin with the initial installation as the welcome screen appears. Click Next. The license agreement appears. To accept the terms of the agreement, check the Accept box and then click Next. You now will choose an install location by selecting the destination folder. The destination folder has a default directory. This step will also take a few moments as it checks the directory to fit your needs for this installation. Click Next. The Choose Your Component screen appears. You are able to select the components needed for your specific install. Here you see the pre-selected components for what is known as a typical install. You can go to the Type of Installation drop-down menu to select one of the several install type options. Here, the selection is for full install, and you can see the appropriate full install component boxes are checkmarked. Should you choose a minimal install, only the basic IDE is installed along with the corresponding selected components. For this demonstration, a minimal install type is selected. Once you select the minimal install, you can click Install to run the installation. The installing screen appears as CA Development Environment for Z-Systems is installed to the target location. You can either view the install progress bar or you can click the Show Details box for specific run install information. When CADE for Z-Systems is installed, you will see the plugins that were selected for installation. Because the minimal install was selected, you will see the sole plugin installation of CA Endeavor SCM. Once the installation is complete, you will see the finished and completed messages in the Show Details box. Select Next. The completed installation of CA Development Environment for Z-Systems will prompt a success screen. Click Finish. In Part 2 of this demonstration video, you will see how to update the minimal configuration install in order to add additional CA Development Environment for Z-Systems features. To do this, you will revisit the installation procedure. Once more, accept the license agreement. The install location window appears, and click Browse. And choose the install location you originally had set for the folder CADE for Z-Systems from the Browse for Folder window. Click Next. The Choose Components window appears. Once you begin selecting components, the Install Type drop-down displays Update. Proceed checking the features you would like installed. In this update demonstration, you will select 3 components to install: Code Review, Z-Systems Code Generators, and IBM z/OS Automated Unit Testing Framework. Click Install. The Install Progress bar appears. Click Show Details to follow the installation process. When the install is completed, click Next. The success window appears, and you can click Finish to complete the update process. You have now successfully completed an update to your install of the CA development environment for Z Systems. Thank you for watching.